Good morning, students. In class 6th, today we are going to have a new chapter, and that is chapter number 3, Ancient Towns and Scripture. So let us start our chapter. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know its meaning? Culture is related to human life, while civilization is developed by human being which create with his own caliber skill, creative skill. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibits such great civilization of human society. Centuries old civilizations still inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we shall study about the Harappan civilization. So, ancient town and scripture. So, student, here we are going to learn about the ancient towns, okay, and the arts about the people, okay, made by the people. And here it is said that about the Harappan civilization. But before that, here it is said about the culture and the civilization. So first thing, the culture. It is a matter related to the human life. Okay. So different human beings are having different culture. Okay, means from their religions or from their habituates. Okay, so all people are getting their culture by their own activities or by their religion or anything else. Okay, so here culture is see, for example, you are having that Gujaratis are having different culture, Keralians are having different, then Marathi are having their different own culture, Punjabis. Okay, so this is the culture. It is related to the human life, while civilization, okay, so here the word itself, that is civilization, is saying that it is about the talent, okay, or the skills, we can say the talent or the skills made by the people. Okay, so here it is said that civilization is developed by human being. Yeah, it is right, because human beings are developing civilization. Okay, and how? See, which be creates with his own caliber skills or creative skills. So you know that for example, first of all, we are having actually 7 continents, and in 7 continents in the world we are having different people, okay, of different countries. So different people are, means different people of different countries are differ from each other. So how? The question is that how they are different from each other, and that is they are having their own creativity. For example, see, in our class also, when teacher is teaching, at that time there are, I think so, 40 to 50 students are there, and in a class. So from 40 to 50 students, all students, means many students are having their own creativity. Some of the students are very good in sports, some are in their design or the drawing skill. Okay, some are very good in studies. Okay, so different skills are there, okay, in different students. In the same way, here also we have seen, I was talking about the world, about different countries. Okay, so different people are there in different countries, they are having their own creativity. And you already know that key people of India, if we talk about Indian culture, then we are having the Hindu religion in our ancient age. Okay, and that was Ramayana and Mahabharata and all that, the Granth we are having Hindu religion. Okay, so that is teaching us our culture. they have made our culture, okay, by a civilization. So for example, here you already know that there were, before 12,000 years, there were primitive men, and slowly they discovered themselves. They created themselves into, from primitive man to human being, okay, and slowly they came to know about the modern things, okay, or the inventions they have done, and because of that invention they have developed themselves, and that invention, for that invention they had created some more other art, or the skill, or the talent they have got, okay. So here, for example, by making one thing, for example, Charles Babbage have made the computer, but later on you can see that as the time moves out, okay, or the time is just passing, so according to that, what we have seen the changes, okay. First of all, you have seen there were very big computers were there, okay, and right now you can see that then later on small computer, then first it was black and white, then it made to color computer, and slowly nowadays we are having laptops, okay. Other than that, we are having now mobiles and etc. So technology differs, and that depending on the culture, means for the human beings, okay. Human beings, what they are doing, they are creating their ideas, and because of that only we have made our because of that only the computer are changed. Right now we are having the laptops, the latest, we are having different mobiles and Android, etc. So here we talk about different things. So in the same way, here different countries have developed themselves, okay. India, we have seen that later on, means before it was having different culture, but right now we are living a modern life, and we are having our culture, okay, which we have got from our forefathers. Then we talk about the Egyptians, okay. So Egyptians also living their own life, okay. If you go to Arab countries, they are also having their own life, okay. It is differ from people to people, okay, or country to country. So here in Egypt also you see that during last in their ancient age, what they were doing, they were having different culture. But later on nowadays you can see the modern world is there, okay. So change is a must, okay, and it in future also you can see a great change in the world. So change is the rule of the nature, we can say like that. So as we were talking about Egypt, and now means in Egypt also we can see that the mummies were put inside the coffin box, and they were made the and after we can say covering them, after covering them with a cloth, okay, the dead body is dig under the ground, okay. But what the thinking the Egyptians were having, they were having thinking of life after death. So because of that, they were putting some of the food or ornaments or other things nearby that dead body, okay. So this was their thinking. And now in this chapter, we are going to learn about the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization, you know, it is about our India, means this area is coming in India also and Pakistan also. Okay, and here we can see the map of Harappan civilization. So here you have seen this. See, this was Punjab, then Harappa, Punjab, then Sindhu. Okay, and Mohenjo-daro, then Dholavira, Lothal. You can see here Gujarat is there. See, Lothal, Rangpur, and Saurashtra. This is the part of Gujarat, and you can see Ahmedabad also. Okay, so here you can see the colorful picture here. So this color is showing that this is Harappan civilization. People were living here. Okay. In river Ganga also, some of the people were living over there also. And this all you can see, this Mohenjo-daro, it is came in Pakistan. Okay. So here this Harappan civilization specially divided the part, means this we can see Mohenjo-daro, some of the part of Maharashtra, then full part of this Gujarat, okay, means up to Ahmedabad, and then it is just if we go to the northern part, then Dholavira, then different Sindhu river, Punjab is there, okay. So this whole part is about the Harappan civilization. Along with that, some of the part near the Ganga river, okay. So this is the map, and because of means by this we come to know about Harappan civilization, okay. And at that time we can see the modern cities are just as you can see the square is there, black square, and near to Ahmedabad you can see there was a modern city, okay. Then here Mehsana was a modern city in ancient time, okay. Then here Balakot. Okay, Balakot, you know that, and Balakot was also modern during ancient age. Mohenjo-daro was modern. So these were the modern cities. And near to just after Ahmedabad, you can also see the modern city. Okay, in just the southern part of Ahmedabad also you can see. Okay, so this is about the Harappan civilization, and along with that the Neolithic age. Neolithic, what is the meaning of Neolithic? See, it is related to the primitive man. Okay, so in we see Neolithic Stone Age. It is what? Neolithic Stone Age. Actually, it is also Stone Age is also divided into three parts. Okay, and in Stone Age, what is there? Ki we have seen that ki. Actually there are also three parts: Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. So these three parts were there in Stone Age, and in that Paleolithic age people were living a carnivorous life, okay, means they were eating only flesh or the animals only. They hunt and eat, okay. So they were eating a raw meat at that time. But after that, in Mesopotamia Stone Age, okay, what happened? People started to grow agriculture. Okay, they have started to do agriculture. Along with that, they were first what they were doing. They were roaming from one place to another. They were living a nomadic life. But in Mesolithic age, what they done? They stopped at a particular place near to the river, okay, and they were doing agriculture. And as they were doing agriculture, so later on, after they started to do agriculture, they were living near the river. First of all, what they were doing, they were growing the crops, okay. Along with that, then also after growing the crops, they were moving from one place to another, okay. Then what happened? Ki they come to know that ki on the same place we can do agriculture again and again, okay. So we can reuse the ground or the place or the agricultural field, okay. So then what they had done, then they started to do agriculture at a fixed place, okay, and then they have stopped, and they have slowly they have made the villages, because they started to live in group. And as they started to live in group, the society were made. That means the villages were made, the Gram Panchayat, and then later on you can see in Neolithic age they have started to make Gram Panchayat, okay. Means the groups were becoming more and more, the population increases, and because of that they started the barter system in Neolithic age, Neolithic Stone Age. So in Neolithic Stone Age, even though they were the primitive men, okay, but they come to know that we have to exchange the things, because they have already started the agriculture. Now some of the people were having the wheat, so they were exchanging wheat and taking the other thing, that is the chair or the other needful things. Okay, so whatever the things were there were exchanged by them. Okay, so this was about the Neolithic age. So Neolithic age, we can see here also, in our age also we are having three parts, that is ancient age, middle age and modern age. But in Stone Age also there were three parts: Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Okay. Now the other thing we come to know, okay, so here next one, that is, we know Harappan civilization, also Indus Valley civilization. Remains of the civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. Many of the places of civilization in the northwestern part of India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhigadi, etc. See the locations of the places Harappan civilization in the map. Okay, so see here what is it said? First of all, it is said that 1921. During 1921, when the Britishers were there in our country, at that time this place was founded. Okay, I think so. The railway tracks were made at that time. Okay, and Britishers have found that here in India there is a ancient place is there. Okay, and so they started to research on that. The archaeologists were doing the research on that, and historians have the literature about Harappan civilization, and they have researched. Okay. So here we can see the map, which were the areas which are coming in India. Okay, so here you can see the different places like see this Gujarat is there, and in Gujarat there are Lothal, Ranpur, Saurashtra. Then Mohenjo-daro is also coming in India. Okay, just the upper part of Gujarat. Okay, then Dholavira is there, I think so, near Rajasthan, and Punjab is there, Indian. Okay, means. So Punjab is also there, the part of India. So this in this area near to Gujarat, some of the research have been done. Okay, so research was done over there, and the archaeologists come to know that this is about the lifestyle of the Harappan civilization. Okay, so Harappan civilization was there, and it is also known as Indus Valley civilization. And there were the main cities over there, that is Mohenjo-daro was the main city, then Dholavira, and some of the main cities were there at that time. After that, town planning. So here our next point is town planning. Town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. All the towns were planned in a similar way. In all places, fort was on westward side of the colony, common people on the east side. Means it is, see the now here the. See, first of all, we were talking about Neolithic age, okay. But later on, how the people were living, I think so Harappan civilization is just before 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. Okay. So, before 4,000 to 5,000 years, there were Harappan civilization, okay, Indus Valley civilization was there. So in this area of our India, especially in Punjab side, Harappan people were living, and in that you know about the Mohenjo-daro also. One movie is also there about Mohenjo-daro. So that type people having their different culture at that time. And it is here said about the town planning of them, that people, and what is it said about the town planning? The town planning was of that people were planned. Okay, it was planned, and they were having the planning before making. And I think so. You can just imagine that before 5000, the town planning was there. Okay, and also in town planning, what they were doing, they were having their different town planning of fort. Okay, the forts were there in the westward side. Okay, of the colony of the common people. Then the see, they were making the forts in the western side, and what the colonies in the eastern side. Okay, that was their creativity. Means they were there thinking that in the west direction they were making forts. Okay, and in the east direction they were making colonies. Okay, the people were living over there. Now, highways were separated from both the sides. See, actually they were having the planning of the houses at that time. They were, see, for example, we are having our school, and just opposite to the school there is Kaibel, and just near to the school there is the society, that is another department's building, and that is Devnandan. Okay, so Devnandan, then Kaibel, it is having, and in the center part of the school and Skybell, what is there? Road is there. Okay, so that road is parallel. Okay, so it is planned. Okay, so you can see that our school, and if we check the Skybell and Devnandan, that is having a parallel road just between them. And think, if the Skybell is just made near to the in the gate of the school, and this Devnandan is made just on the way of the road. Okay, in between the road, then from where the people can move. Okay, so that is not planned. Okay, so here the people of Harappan civilization were knowing that if there should be a gap between two houses. Okay, and there are different gates were there, and at that time, in the, if we talk about the houses, there were men hall. What is men hall? Men hall means it is just created the houses. Okay, at that time also houses were made, and you know that in our kitchen, in our house, in our terrace, there are men hall. Okay, see, for example, what is men hall? I am just telling you, it is a hall made to the corner part. Okay, the hall is made in the corner part from where the all water is going. Okay, for example, when the rain is coming in your terrace, okay, the water is passing through one hall. Okay, the water is passing from one hall, and that hall is known as man hall. Okay, so this is the planning which the people of Harappan civilization, that is the before 5000 years ago, people were having that type of knowledge. So you can see that in our world there are so many mysteries. Okay, there are so many things are like that we don't know how that people have got the idea about this type of things. Okay, because we know that before many years people were living a simple life. People were living a simple life. They were living in huts. So how these people were knowing about this technology, and actually there were no modern tools also at that time. Before 5000 years ago, they were not having the knowledge of more knowledge about iron. Okay, but then also they were having the knowledge of making houses, or the walls also they were making at that time. So you can just think about the ancient people that we don't know about before 5000 what was there, but we come to know because of the history. Okay. Now after that the fort of the wall west was surrounded by the fortress. Most probably rulers would have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structure. So at that time also they were using bricks. Okay. So in Harappan civilization, people were using bricks for making house. Main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Houses were constructed in high platform to protect them from flood and dampness. One of the feature of the house of Harappan was that the main gate was open in the lanes rather than towards the main road. Here single and double storeyard houses were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of which connected north and south. One is in the south and the other connected to the east. Okay. East to west. First connection was to the northwest, okay, and other was to the east west. There were two plannings of roads also, highways also, okay. So they were having the knowledge of road, okay, the highways, how to make. Today you know in our country there is a good work is going on for the highways by BJP government, okay. They are just putting so much of money for making the highway and bridge. You are having this metro and all like that, okay. So which is helpful for doing business, okay. It will more comfortable for the people to do business for import and export. So here it is said about the Harappan civilization. You have seen the construction here, so also see in this picture. And see, you can see one, I can show you the. See, they were making, see, I think so this is a swimming pool or something like that, or they were saving the water like in this type of place. Means we are also having in some of the temples, if you are going, there you can see the kund. Okay, it is known as kund or kund, or you can say that the lake, small type of lakes, okay. So water is stored in this, I think so, or they may be having this for bath, okay. We are having swimming pool, so they may be they're taking bath in this type of place, okay. See the steps are also there. By these steps they are moving inside and they are having the bath also. This is, I think so, used for the bath also. Yeah, see here it is written public bath. Okay, see, public bath of Mohenjo-daro. And so people were having this type of public bath at that time. And if we talk about the houses, no, you can see the constructions of the houses. See, there are different houses are there. Just you can see near this. So there is having a proper construction for the houses also at that time. So this is the thing how they were making their creativity. So it is said that they were having a great knowledge for the construction, the Harappan civilization. And also see here one thing is written about the protection from the flood, okay, or dampness. So if the water is coming more, okay, flood, you already know the water is here, means everywhere the water is filled, okay. If there is more rain or means excessive rain is there, then we can have the flood, okay. So they were having houses where construction in high platform, means their houses were little high, okay. If the water is if the flood is coming, then they can protect from that. The water of the flood cannot come inside the house. So the houses were made means little bit upside, okay, means it is higher than its depth, okay. Then They were also making a single and double storeyard houses were seen. Means storeyard houses, single and double houses were there, and storage was also there. Okay, and I think so they were making a storeyard room also. Okay, and there they can storing the grains or anything. Means just we are also having the go down in where the crops are kept. Okay. And we also talk about the highway of the city, and which is connected with north to south, north with south, and east with west. Okay, there are two directions of double directions were there. First direction was north with south. Okay, so people were going from north to south direction. That type of road construction was there, and other road construction was east to west. Okay, so this type of road construction, that is the highways were made at that time. See, so we have seen that how talented that Harappan civilization was, and you can read this chapter once. So we have completed our first part. Thank you.